Here in Paraguay, a new attraction has been added to the touristic side of this town. Paraguari was on the old Paraguayan train line and has its station a little way from here, which has recently been restored. And in addition, this old steam train has been brought out from Asuncion to form the centrepiece of the park and museum. The train itself has been in storage in Asuncion for 25 years. So after arrival in Paraguay, it's going to need some cleaning up and general tidying to bring it up to the standard, to make it a proper tourist attraction. Over the years it's acquired bits of graffiti, but those can be cleaned off. And the train itself, an old steam train, will then be another reason for somebody to come to Paraguay. Installed here we have the engine and warm wagon. Down there in the distance is the train station. It's about a 5-minute walk away. And in truth, I'm not sure why the train has been installed this far away, although I'm sure there was a reason for it. And I'm standing now, just about to see the old train tracks, still here, just buried in the grass. So for anybody interested in history, heritage or steam trains, Paraguay is now somewhere to consider coming for a visit. For this train, as you can see, there's no fence around it. You can get up close and personal and examine it, have a good look how it was built, how solid it is. And this road here has recently been installed to give access direct to the main road rather than having to go through Paraguay. It's train number 521, Carlos Antonio Lopez, and would have seen many years of service before becoming now what will be the centrepiece to a railway museum here in Paraguay.